bringing you another episode. Today's episode, folks, we have a technical analysis on Ripple, currently up about 3% for the day, sitting at just below 85 cents, sitting at 84 cents. But we're looking at the Satoshi value up about 1.25%, sitting at 9,226 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 412 billion. Today's volume is 28 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 37.8. Looks like the market is bouncing, folks. Bitcoin is up about almost 2% for the day, just below 9,200. I'm waiting for that break above 9,250 before I decide to add to my position. Ethereum up almost 4%, sitting at 655. Ripple up 3, sitting at 84. Bitcoin Cash up 5, sitting just below 1,500. EOS up about almost 5, sitting at 15. Litecoin up 3. Cardano up 4. Lumen's up 9. IOTA up almost 10 or 9.5 almost. Just above 9.25. Neo up 4. Tron up 1. Who are the big winners today? Gifto up 38. Sia Coin up 32. Nice. I think we have to do an update video on that, or we just did it. I'm going to have to look at my notes. Mithro up 31. Big losers today. Steam down 2. Just below $4. No worries. We had a nice run. Storm down 2, sitting at 6 cents. Factum sitting at $27, down almost 2% for the day. But you folks came here for some Ripple. Market cap sitting at 33 billion. Today's volume is 1 billion. Circulating supply 39 billion. Total supply 99.9 billion. And our max supply 100 billion. Major exchanges here, folks. BitThumb, BitBank, Binance, Upbit, Bitfinex, Huobi, Bitstamp, Hit BTC, Kraken, and Bittrex and Poloniex. Oh, I have to burp a lot for some reason. That hasn't happened in a while. But those are our major exchanges, folks. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here for Bitcoin. Don't you just love it when your analysis plays out? Looks like we did bounce off our little trend line here at 8,700. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hours, see what the 4 hour is showing us. Oh yes, perfect. So this is what we were waiting for. This is our 9,000 resistance, folks. We broke out of our 9,000 hit resistance at 9,700. We came back down to test for support, and looks like we did hit our, or did bounce off our trend line here and also our support. This would be the bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3 of our uptrend. Sometimes, you draw these lines and they don't really, they don't line up, but as long as you're forming the higher lows, at least these are my rules, as long as you're forming those higher lows and higher highs, it's an uptrend to me. Looks like we will be getting that break and close above 9,000. I'd probably be taking a buy. If as you can tell down here, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. Oh yeah, if we get the break and close above this level here, 9,200, should be good to go. That's what I'll be looking out for, folks. But again, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Taking a look at Ethereum here, it looks like we did bounce. We came as low as 600, and since then we've gone up $60, sitting at 660. Looks like our support did hold as well. Hope I didn't extend this. Our uptrend is holding, and so is our support. Came down, bounced, came back down, bounced again. Not only tested our horizontal support, but we also tested our dynamic support. So Ethereum is actually good for a buy, and it's good to go. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But let's go ahead and look at the 1 hour actually really quick. So if we get that break and close above, 650, should be good to go. Definitely looks like we actually already did. So Ethereum good to go in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin sitting at 153. We came as low as, actually let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour. Go ahead and delete this. I don't know why. I always have to delete like the same analysis. Litecoin came as low as about 139. Since then, it kind of consolidated here a little bit. And then it looks like we're pushing towards the upside. What I'm actually waiting for is a break and close above 155 before I decide to add to my position. I already bought in at Litecoin at 155. So I'm just going to wait till we get that price again. But as you can tell, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside. Let's go ahead and look at the hour before, the hourly, sorry. Yeah, wait for that break and close above 155, guys, 157 to be safe. Once we do get that break and close above 157, Litecoin should be good to go. But let's go ahead and look at Ripple to BTC on the daily. That's what you folks came here for. Bittrex is the broker. TradingView is the platform. Looks like Ripple is respecting not only our horizontal support, but our dynamic support as well. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour. A lot of consolidating here, as you can tell. What I'm actually waiting for is the break and close above 9,300 Satoshis. Once we do get that break and close above 9,300 Satoshis, should be good to go. Before I switch over to the hourly, as you can tell, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside. I really hope I don't miss this one. This is the one I really want to get, guys. That I'm actually not trying to. I am trying to invest in this, but I'm actually not trying to do it through any of these cryptocurrency brokers. The way I'm trying to get involved with Ripple is through a forex broker. Who's actually giving me a little bit of leverage to take a position on Ripple. So that's actually pretty cool. So make sure you guys check that referral link down below. It's called Evolve Market, and they're letting you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, all with 50-to-1 leverage. I think that's pretty cool. When forex meets crypto, there's a lot of power in that, but you got to be very careful as well. A lot of risk, but just kind of an idea that I wanted to throw out to you guys. But what I'm waiting for here on Ripple on the hourly, folks, is a break and close above 9,275. Once we do get that break and close above 9,275 or 9,300 on the 4 hour, should be good to go. But that's what I'm waiting for. Where do I see Ripple going in BTC value here in 2018? I think easily no problem. We can come back up to our all-time high here at about 23,000 Satoshis. But this is towards the end of 2018, possibly early 2019. That's my first target. And then my second target is actually about 30,000. But I don't expect this to happen until about 3 to 4 months into 2019. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know this. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are keep commenting down those coins down below. I am writing all these coins down. It's just taking me a couple of days to get through all of them, but I will get through all of them. I promise that. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.